Hey everybody, it's Farmer TJ, and today we're going to be reading Compost Stew, an A to Z recipe for the earth by Mary McKenna Siddles, illustrated by Ashley Wolf. Environmental chefs, here's a recipe for you to fix from scratch to mix a batch of compost stew. Ingredients: apple cores, bananas bruised, coffee grounds with filters used, dirt clods crumbled, eggshells crushed, fruit pulp left behind, all mushed, grass clippings, hair snippings, and an insect or two. Just add to the pot and let it all rot into compost stew. Save jack-o'-lanterns, kitchen scraps, laundry lint from dryer traps. Mulch removed from garden beds, nutshells, oatmeal, paper shreds. Quarry dust, rye bread crust, and seaweed strands, a few. Just add to the pot and let it all rot into compost stew. Take tea bags plucked from long hot swimmings, underbrush prunings, vegetable trimmings, wiggly worms with compost cravings, Xmas tree needles, yellow pine shavings, and zinnia heads from flower beds whose blooming days are through. Just add to the pot and let it all rot into compost stew. Moisten, toss lightly, cover, let brew, and when the cooking is complete, Mother Earth will have a treat, dark and crumbly, rich and sweet. Now open the pot, and what have you got? Compost stew. The end. Now let's go take a look at the compost here at Hayes. Welcome to the compost here at Hayes. As you can see, we have 3 compost bins, one being behind me and the other 2 being to my left and my right, respectively. And this is the very first one. We start off putting things into the compost, and we let it sit for a few weeks, and then we flip it and we move it into the second one, and we let it sit for a few more weeks, and then we flip it again, and finally we put it into this third one, which by the time it waits a few more weeks, we should have made our own compost stew. And as you can see behind me, we have instructions on how to create our own very own compost stew, and we'll take a closer look at those instructions in just a second. But for right now, let's take a look at the compost and let's see what we find. Thank you for joining me. It's been Compost Stew with Farmer TJ.